So what we're looking at right now, all we're seeing on chart is, this is a 15-minute chart, and all we're seeing is just candlesticks. So this is just like over a span of 45 minutes. Yeah, the first 15 minutes we dropped this one. Let me quickly mark it out. The first 15 minutes, this one we dropped, rejection. Second one we dropped, rejection. The third one, which is the current one, we dropped, rejection. We're pushing back up again. Me seeing that, that's just price action. That's just price action. Yeah. This is not order flow. This is not delta or whatever. This is just pure price action. Me looking at that level, and we're coming back from this level as well. Right here, as you can see. So straight away, I knew in my head I might take this long. At the same time, I'm seeing this aggressive sell-off. So I'm being mindful at this point, like, you know what, okay then, I need to be a bit wary on this, because price might drop. Might push up and drop back down again. So I'm like, you know what? I think I might do a quick scalp on this one. Yeah. So we jump down to the let's play it. See for yourself. Let's clear this off. And we're just gonna play it. Alright, I might like this. I feel good if I long this.
Order fill.
Right there, I said it. I feel I might long this. Yeah? I feel I might long this. Those were the words. Yeah? Put risk on table. I'm longing this. Now let's look into it. Why did I take this long? Again, the area that I marked out. Remember that area? Look at this aggressive selling. Look at this aggressive selling right here. Let me use a green marker. Aggressive selling. Aggressive selling. Do you understand? Aggressive selling. All this area, pure aggressive selling. Pure aggression. Yeah? So I know, looking at this, someone is passively buying the market. Someone is passively buying the market. Now look at cumulative volume delta. By the way, I do have a video coming on this. Probably drop sometime this week. I'm currently recording it, XYZ. So stick around for that. Cumulative volume delta, look at it. Price is dropping. See that? Price dropping. This low, let me clear the chart again. This low is equivalent to this low. This low is equivalent to this low. Yeah? Look at that. Price dropping. Divergence. Yeah? Divergence. So I'm seeing all this. Someone is passively buying the market. We're resting in a 15-minute order block. I'm taking the market long. Then we had a strong push on price. Look at delta. Again, cumulative volume delta. Massive push to the upside. Look at price. Is reflecting that massive push to the upside. So aggressive buyers stepped in, and they are getting rewarded because it reflecting on price. Now the pullback happens. That's when I said, I think I might take this long. So I put my stop loss right around this area, the volume area low. Just give a little bit of room to breathe, just in case. You know, if I'm wrong, then I'm just wrong. But I'm targeting this high. This is the same high. Because then again, look at this. We have a lot of sellers here. So I need to be mindful. This is a selling market, but this is a scalp we're looking for. Yeah, and we only going, and just for caution. I mean, obviously, we're only going with one contract, because we ain't trying to risk a lot. Yeah, take a look at it. Let's clear this all again and let it run. Yep, now we're in.
Order
I
placed.
feel like I'm just to be a
Order
bit more.
placed. Order cancelled.
Then right away I adjust my stop loss again. I'm like, okay, then if we break this low again, if price come back down and break this low, then this, I mean, the sellers are just too dominant. We might push back down again to test this area. I place my stop loss right beneath this low, right up, literally where these buyers stepped in. Like I said, if we break this, then I'm wrong, and I'm targeting the same high, one contract to make 1,000.
Feel like that would be a good move.
Feel like that would be a good move, he said.
Target the same high.
As you can see, strong buyer stepped in there. That's
Just
what
some
I
buyers
want to
gonna step
see.
back in.
Just said it, strong buyer stepped in. That's what I want to see. This is live commentary, by the way. That's me in the trade.
Order placed.
Strong buy, and I love it. Look what I'll be doing in a second. I'm going to put my stop loss right underneath these buyers. Literally right underneath these buyers. Like I said, I'm not expecting, if anything, I want to see these guys defend this level. I'm going to target the same high.
Get a nice like push to the upside. I'm expect we have a lot of sellers here. So it's got to be really mindful of these guys.
Yep, we have to be mindful of them just in case we forget, if we ever get to that level, because we're in a selling market, so we have to make sure.
Right below these buyers have stepped in.
Order
There
placed.
we go. That's now we ain't losing nothing at this point.
I put my stop right below these buyers that stepped in.
That's what we're looking for.
You've got to be mindful. One contract, targeting the highs. If you can break through this, sorry, exit that.
Order placed.
Then I might put my stop.
I was a bit cheeky here. I was a bit cheeky. I saw that the momentum coming in on my delta, because obviously you can see me keep on looking to my right. That's me looking at the delta chart. I realized there's a lot of buying coming in, so I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna extend the stop loss, and then on my take profit, and then put my stop loss where my take profit was. So basically, I'm still securing the 1,000, but I'm just gonna be, just in case we just get a big pop to the upside, I catch that.
Plus, right underneath it. Yeah, put my stop loss right there.
Order cancelled.
And there we go. So securing $1,000 right there.
Yes, indeed.
Order placed.
So we are securing $1,000 right there. Guarantee 1,000 got secured.
Order placed.
There we go. Securing 1,000 right on that stop loss, right?
Order
there.
placed.
So we are securing
Order cancelled.
Yeah, we locked in 1,000, 100%.
We locked in that 1,000.
That was a good trade.
Good trade indeed. One contract it is. Or it was. But yeah, like I said, man, that was a great trade. Brilliant trade. Yeah, next time. So if you want to see more videos like these, make sure you like and subscribe. I will be dropping the videos like these. You know what? I'm not gonna post them like live again, like what I used to. All that 30 minutes, 40 minutes video. I'm gonna do something like this in the future. I'm gonna voice over the live video and explain it properly, because sometimes when you're in the moment, it's kind of hard to speak, but because you're so focused. And there's two screens I'm looking at, well, three screens. The main screen, which is my entry screen in front of me. I have another screen to my left with delta, with footprint, and another screen to my right, which is pure delta. So I have to just be focused. So it's like I'm not really locking in. But like I said, I will be just chop it up, record the entire session, live session, then chop it up into like a voiceover, just like this one, for example, explaining it more thoroughly so you can understand it more or better or clearer, why I take the trades and all that, you know. But yeah, like I said, if you like this trade, this set up this trade today, cumulative volume delta as well, you tap the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.